honesty, your kindness. You are brilliant. I suppose, everybody would want if they entered competition to get through to the final. But, I've gone so much further than I ever dreamt I would. I mean, my luck did run out today, quite obviously, because my pastries were not up to the standard they expected. It has to be on merit, and clearly I didn't merit being in the final three, and that's fair enough. I'm so chuffed to be in the final. I feel very emotional in a really nice way. Yeah, I'm a little bit, never lost for words, of course, being me, but I am a little bit. It hasn't